Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to change these side markers right over here. We are going to be giving it a nice new look. You don't want to break anything, and these are very easy to break. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and push this and kind of just pull it out without breaking it. There we go. Nice and easy. Alrighty, so there's a tab right here. You just push it down and then pull this off. I already have it loosened up. And you're good to go. This needs to be removed. That piece right here, you have to be careful because it will break. So I have this small trim tool to try to pry it open and twist this and remove it out. It comes up. At this point, this is when you twist. And then you want to take this bulb off. Now your new LED will sit right in here. Now whenever working on electrical contacts, it's good to use this right here, dielectric grease. So just put a little small tab right on there. Okay. And you can also put some right, just a nice little dab right on the connector. It's gonna seal everything off, protect it, insulate it, and keep it waterproof. If you notice on the older one, there is a gasket. So FYI, the new one doesn't come with a gasket, so you may have to just make one. Go to AutoZone and find something that can you can just put on here around it. There's plenty of stuff, and make your own gasket for this. And that's it, folks. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. Got more coming out.